Real quick before this video starts, if you guys liked this model or this video, then please consider supporting my Scoop model on LEGO Ideas. Thank you! Okay, so first things first, you want a 2x4 skinny and yellow. Place that there. Next, you want a 1x2 skinny and yellow. Place them two together. After that, get a 2x2 skinny and yellow with a brick hole going through it. Make sure it's on the very end and place that right there. Next, you want 2x3 skinny with another one of these and place that right there. Okay, so this is a very big base, so we're going to dissect it. You want 4 of these jumper plates. Place 2 at the front, 2 at the front, a 1x3 tile in yellow, and then finally 1x4 tile in yellow with a 1x1 tile in yellow. Once all of that is all built, then you grab this entire section and you place all of it together. And you should have that decent chunk of scoop. Now, next, you want to grab this ladder. So, this assembly requires a yellow ladder, a 2x2 skinny and yellow with a 1x2 skinny and yellow. Place it like that, and then finally, a 2x2 tile in yellow. After that, you want to place that right there. So those jump plates will lead into Scoop's front, which is how I got the tiny bits of yellow poking out on the sides, which will be in the second part. Rotate it around, and then create another assembly. So this one is not too much more complicated. 2x2 skinny and yellow. 1x2 skinny and yellow. Next, we have a bracket in yellow. Make sure it's facing down. Have the 2x2 tile in yellow. Place that other assembly you had before like that. And finally, another 2x2 tile in yellow. And place that on the opposite side of Scoop. Oh, I messed this bit up. Sorry guys. With this tile, you actually want to place that out so it overhangs like that. Don't do it to the ladder though. But yeah, do it to that bit. And there you go. You got that chunk done. We want a 1x2 brick in yellow. Place that right there. Okay, now we're on to the next part of the build, which will be another dissection. We need to build this big chunk next. Next, we're going to be building one of these. So, these are actually pretty simple. So you have this ratchet joint bit with a 1x1 skinny on top, and a 1x1 tile on top. Then next, you have a 1x3 tile on top with a clip that goes there. Then the other bit that would attach to the bracket, topped off with a 1x3 skinny. Then you want this yellow brick clip and a 1x2 tile like that. Clip them on. Now you got to clip this the right way around. So make sure you got the bottom of the stud facing out with the tile. Then attach them like that. Once you've done that, then build a second one and place them at the back of the scoop. So you should have that. Next, another quick assembly, 1x3 skinny. Then jumper plate with a stud in the middle, 1x2 tile on top of that. Then this is like a little turntable. Place 2 clips in yellow and a 1x2 skinny tile in yellow, and then place it, try and center it all around. So yeah, a little bit should be overhanging at the back. After that, place that there, and voila, then you can put that there. Next, we want a 1x4 brick in yellow. Grab your back section, place it there. Make sure you have a 1x4 tile in yellow that goes through, like that. And it will all fit nicely, like that. Okay, next, 1x1 brick in yellow. Place it there. Next, we want a 2x4 brick in yellow. Place that there. Then you can actually attach it to the model. Rotate that entire assembly around. Should be looking like this. As you can see, Scoop is a pretty complicated model, so not the best to put together. Also, with this back bit, I did it wrong. Sorry guys about that. So you actually want this bit here, so take off the tile. You actually want to push this in so it doesn't overhang. Then place the 1x4 tile. So that way, this actually holds in this bit, so when you're moving the backhoe, it won't end up breaking off. Next, we want a 4x6 and a 1x6 base. Make that a double. So same thing like at the bottom, the 1x6 on top of the 4x6, then the 4x6 covering up the 1x6 to keep it nice and strong. Then 2x4 black tile and 1x4 black tile on top. And place the entire assembly on top. Next, we want a 1x4 brick in yellow with a clip, and then one of these bars, so it's a 1x3 bar. It's about this long, and one of these black clip bits with a hole through it. slide the bar in as far as it will go, so about that far. Get a 1x3 tile and a 1x3 skinny placed on top of the 1x4 brick, and 1x3 tile, creating this assembly. And you want to place that right there. Okay, I'm just taking any bits off there, annoying. So you should have that. Okay, rotating again. Next we have a 1x6 brick. Jumper plate. There. Yellow clip, the exact same way I did with the last bit. 1x1 skinny, 1x1 tile on top of the 1x1 skinny. And then another one of these, a jumper plate, no, not jumper plate, Technic pin. Slide that until you can see just a tiny bit of the Technic pin left. Once you've created that assembly, then you want to place that on this side. Next up, 1x3 brick, exact same assembly with a 1x2 jumper plate in yellow. And you want to place that on that side. Finally, 1x1 brick with a 1x1 skinny in yellow and a 1x3 tile in yellow. Sorry if I get these names mixed up. I just had to get this out really quickly. And boom. Place it at the back, like that. Finally, a 1x2 brick with a 1x1 tile, 1x1 skinny, and a 1x1 tile. Place that there. Okay, we're getting to the home stretch now. So next, we want one of these flag bits in yellow, as you can see. Then, mixed with the clip. And then one of these clips with have that in yellow, 1x2 tile, and a 2x3 tile. Create that like that. Then place this on the jumper plate. And it should lie like that. Angle that flag down a little bit more. And same with that bit. So you can have a nice angle like that. Then mirror the build. Create another one of these. Have a simple design, but this time the flag being on this side, so the left side facing your side, because that one was facing the right. So have this on the left side and make this a 2x3 tile. I just didn't have that at the time. Still don't. And once again, that in yellow, and once you've mirrored the build, you can place that like that. Now, if these did end up falling off, then make sure to put them on the right side. This flat bit goes on that side, and the ladder goes on this side. And voila! You created the first step of how to build Scoop from Bolt the Builder. Now I better sign off real quick because this video is really long. So hopefully we'll see you guys next time for part 2. Hopefully this wasn't too confusing. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!